In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Steam account store country. So if you want to compare prices and the rest, there's what you need to do. So give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's tap on the wallet. If you're using a PC, you can follow, just tap on your wallet here. Now just see my account details. Good. Now let's scroll to the bottom here and you can see update store country. My country is Ghana right now, so you just tap on that. So on here, what you're going to do is you contact the support team to help you change the account country. Good. So after tapping on that, you come on here, you scroll to the bottom and you see contact team support. And now you tell them you want to change your country or your store country. You give them a reason here. You can attach a file if you want to, and then you send it like that and you're good to go. Yeah. So that's it on how you update your country of your Steam store. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.